Hi, I'm Bianca Rose, a Senior Portfolio Manager with Morningstar Investment Management. Welcome to this week's Market Minute, where we look to discuss key events that have happened in markets this week. After AI-related optimism has lifted all things AI-related over the past 6 months, we saw a midweek wobble across Asian tech stocks this week, sparked by concerns that valuations may have gotten ahead of fundamentals. In a rare and surprising move, we saw the Korea Exchange issue an investment caution warning over the strong share price surge we've seen in SK Hynix, a Korean memory semiconductor company known for its high bandwidth memory chips, which are used by NVIDIA. Turning our attention to the local Aussie equities market, we've seen much more muted returns as a whole. On Tuesday, the RBA kept the cash rate steady at 3.6%, with inflation figures creeping past the top end of the central bank's target threshold. Looking across to the US, we saw the US government shutdown enter its 36th day of shutdown, making it the longest period of time the American government has been closed. While this is the longest period of shutdowns we've seen in the US, this is not the first time this has happened, and this has also occurred back in 2018/2019, 2013, 1995, and several times during the 1980s. As in previous shutdown periods, we're expecting to see economic effects as thousands of federal workers have already missed paychecks, and there are growing fears of increased impacts to air travel in the US as air traffic controllers and airport staff work without pay. But the US equity market has largely continued to sail through these shutdowns, and with the market more focused on AI developments. On the AI front, we saw OpenAI and Amazon agree to a large multi-year deal, which gives the ChatGPT maker access to Amazon's data centers. Alphabet also announced that it's looking to raise around $22 billion in USD in debt as it continues to invest significantly in AI. Through all these market events and volatility, our focus remains on uncovering attractively priced opportunities. Today, we're seeing these opportunities residing within the healthcare, consumer defensives, and cyclical segments. Thanks for watching, and see you next week for another Market Minute update.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.